Have you ever had one of those days where you just roll out of bed? In Cripple Creek, folks took that to a whole new level, literally rolling down the street on beds to celebrate Pearl DeVere Day. Fox 21's Carolyn Felling stopped by the 6th annual bed races to take in all the fun.
You're probably wondering what I'm doing on a bed outside in the middle of the day. Well, here in Cripple Creek, it's Pearl DeVere Day. And just a few minutes ago, people actually were racing these beds down the street.
This event honors the madam who built and ran the old Homestead House, which was the most elegant brothel in the Cripple Creek mining district during the heyday of the gold rush.
It's my bachelorette weekend, so we're in Cripple Creek the whole weekend, and we decided that we wanted to participate for the first time in Pearl DeVere Day bed races. So we had 2 teams. And we all did great, and it was super fun.
The main event is the bed race, where teams of 3 people, who are 2 Johns and 1 Pearl, build their own bed to race against other teams.
And then the Johns each take a turn in the bed with 1 pushing, and then you switch Johns at the halfway point and come back up. And so we just tried to really embrace the spirit of the competition.
And now it's my turn. Let's see how this goes.
Pearl DeVere built the old Homestead House in the 1800s, and today it serves as a museum.
To come to the brothel, you had to definitely prove that you had plenty of money to be able to spend a night here at Pearl's.
Back in the day, she charged $250 per night, which is equivalent to over $9,000 today.
So it's important that we keep that history, and prostitution was major in the economics of the town.
Original furniture and wallpapers still complement all 10 rooms, which is why organizers host the event to keep Pearl and the Parlor Girls' wild energy alive.
A 139-year-old house that needs repairs, so we have fundraisers, and this is one of our funnest. It's bed races, music, cornhole tournament, just a good old solid good time.
Jojo, I love you.
Pearl DeVere Day lasts all day here in Cripple Creek, and if you missed out on this year's bed races, they will be back again next year. Reporting in Cripple Creek, I'm Carolyn Felling, Fox 21 News.